Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Ka-chicka! Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about! Hey, how come the only one...
Right this way.
Doggone it, this is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact? Somebody cut
Hello, everyone! Good morning!
Hello, Tayo.
It can be hard for animals to find places to live when...
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus!
We have two...
Sue, you're quite right. It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Oh, this is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
I have followed the racing my entire life, for my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
You about to feel the wrath of the Lower Bell County Unified School.
Not my town. Don't.
Well, then race for me.
Tax.
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
What just happened?
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my old...
Ook licht kan overal zijn. Wel ten ruste.
Wait, excuse me. It's true you've been in rehab.
Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what? McQueen's wearing white walls.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that...
Bet
McQueen cannot win the last race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
Fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
My favorite thing.
Tag, you're in.
That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Alright, you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Okay, drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! No.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Sure.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Gotta work through this stuff so when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
Now gas control!
What? So don't...
Everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them look...
Correctly?
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we guess it. You both...